guys, what's up? It's Kat here and welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to remove my makeup using the newest Muka makeup remover pads. Before we jump into the video, be sure you are subscribed to my channel if you haven't already and click the notification bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, come and follow me on Instagram so you can see some content that I won't be posting here on YouTube. Also, please do follow me on TikTok kasi dun ako nagpa-follow back usually than Instagram. And wala lang, parang minsan pag ayoko sa Instagram, sa TikTok naman ako nanonood ng mga random videos. So, they recently launched last Sunday, if I'm not mistaken, September 6. And then, natanggap ko yung package September 7. And I was about to film, but gusto ko kasi talagang ma-explain sa inyo kung bakit nyo kailangan ng makeup remover pad. I'm going to read the description from their website. It says, Muka is a zero-waste makeup remover pad. This environment-friendly reusable pad can be used up to 200 wash cycles. One Muka makeup remover pad can be used in place of hundreds of disposable makeup wipes, pads, or cotton balls. Muka makeup remover pads has no chemicals, no harsh fibers. It's made out of super soft hypoallergenic cotton and microfiber, which is soft and suitable for sensitive skin. So this is the package it looks like. Even though they sent me this for free or as a PR package, I will give my 100% honest review on my channel as always. So this is what it looks like. Meron sticker dito, nakalagay logo nila, and may mga check boxes dito. It says this box includes 3 makeup remover pads, headband, and laundry bag. This area naman nakalagay, this parcel is for the most amazing girl, Katrina Bongga, and Instagram handles nila, Instagram and Facebook. Now I'm going to show you what's inside. Ayan siya. So, it has a card right here. Ito yung card looks like. So, at the back nandito yung description ng brand nila, instructions, and tips and tricks. Okay, so here we have a headband. Ayan. Ito yung parang, ito yung ewan ko tawag dito yung may lock na ganyan. So, maganda to pag mag-makeup or magtatagal kayo ng makeup kasi para walang masyadong buhok na umaano sa mukha nyo. Next, we have here, free tinted lip scrub. Sobrang cute. Ayan siya. We have here a 3 makeup remover pads. Ay, nakabalot siya bawat pad, which is good actually. Kasi yung ibang nakikita ko, plastic lang talaga. So, ito talaga eco-friendly siyang tingnan. And lastly, we have a laundry bag. Ooh, sobrang bongga, diba? So, this is what it looks like. Comes with baby pink and white. So, may ribbon dito. Nandito yung logo nila. At the back, hindi ko alam kung tawag dito guys, pero may mga icons dito like bawat planchahin and such. Yan. So, this is the back looks like. Okay. So, as you can tell, makapal siya, no? Tapos, maiksi yung microfibers niya. And, malambot siya, guys. Like, I'm not sure, tumunog pa yung buto ko. I'm not sure kung may sponge or foam dito sa loob. So, I'm not sure if this is the first makeup remover pads in the Philippines. Like, locally talaga siya made. Kasi, ang familiar lang ako sa imitation, tapos international brands, yun lang. Pero, I think this is the first makeup remover pads. And, naintriga talaga ako na every time may nagbibenta ng ganito, makeup remover cloth, towel, pads, sinasabi lagi nila, just add water, you can remove makeup. Honestly, personally, hindi talaga ako naniniwala na oo nga, microfiber siya. Pero, it doesn't mean necessarily na mariremove niya talaga yung makeup mo completely. Like, zero makeup. I usually use a cleansing products like cleansing balm, cleansing oil, like mga micellar water, by using a makeup remover pad. Kasi with water, nah. So, before we proceed with the demo, I'm going to share with you why I stopped using makeup remover wipes and switch to makeup remover pads. Order ako ng makeup remover wipes dati. As in, maximum ko na yung 3 packs. Same brand, pero different variant. Ewan ko, trip ko lang. Wala akong magawa sa buhay ko. So, every time na magtatanggal ako ng makeup using wipes, siguro nakakadalawa o 4 akong wipes. So, wala naman nagsabi sa akin na masama yung wipes or I didn't do any research or watch videos sa YouTube about makeup wipes. Basta, I just stopped using it kasi nga na-realize ko kung gaano kadaming wipes ang nagagamit ko every look or any kind of look. Tapos, yun nga, paano nasasayang yung pera? Now, let's talk about why makeup remover wipes are bad. Number 1 is that it's not environmentally friendly. It doesn't dissolve at all, guys. Hindi po siya parang tissue, okay? And one thing is that, wag nyo po siyang i-flush, especially pag sa mall. Ang gawin nyo na lang is magdala na lang kayo ng paper, ng scratch paper, tapos ibalot nyo na lang. Magiging cost din kasi sa pag-flush nyo ng toilet is yung water pipes, yung drainage, yung daanan ng tubig sa toilet nyo. So, tendency is possible siya mag-clog, tapos kayo pasisihin ng parents nyo, since alam nila kayo lang namin gumagamit ng makeup remover pad. Hey, I'm from the future, charot. So, basically kasi itong part ng video na to, hindi ko na-realize na sobrang lakas pala ng ulan. Salita ko ng salita, hindi ko namamalay na mas malakas pa pala yung tunog ng ulan kaysa sa akin. So, here's a clip. Second reason, it doesn't really cleanse or remove. Diba, ang lakas. Anyway, second reason why makeup remover wipes are bad because it doesn't really cleanse or remove your makeup. But what it does, it just moves your makeup plus the dirt around your face and leaving behind dead skin cells and makeup residue. Especially if you have oily skin like me, we do have enlarged pores. Ang nangyayari is pinapasok mo sa pores mo yung dirt sa skin na or sa face natin, which is not good. Third, it has harmful ingredients. Kahit sabihin nilang all natural or organic ingredients na ginamit nila sa makeup remover wipes nila, still meron pa rin chemicals yan. First is fragrance. Oo nga ang bango niya, pero hindi nyo na-realize yan yung magkukos ng breakouts, allergies, and irritations sa skin nyo. Believe it or not. Panoorin nyo si James Welch and then si Hiram. Sila yung mostly pinapanood ko when it comes to skincare. Mga skincare enthusiasts kasi sila, kaya sa kanila ako nakikinig. Third, it has a preservative ingredient added. Ito kasing ginagawa niya is para magstay wet or juiciness ng wipes. So, ginagawa din ito para hindi ma-absorb yung bacteria or yung germs sa loob ng mismong pocket ng wet wipes. And last reason, I think I mentioned this earlier, is waste of money siya, guys. Believe me, sobrang sana yung pera niya. So, on my right side, I will use a makeup wipes. Magsasacrifice lang ako for just one night. And then, on my left side, I will use a makeup remover pads. So, hindi ko sasabihin sa inyo kung anong brand tong gagamitin kong wipes kasi baka mabash ako. So, ayan siya. Wet na siya. So, first, I'm going to remove my lashes. Ano lang naman gamit ko dito, yung adhesive liner, kaya hindi siya ganun kasakit. So, here I have my makeup wipes. And then, this is the Muka makeup remover pads. Damp siya. Huwag nyo masyado siyang isok sa tubig. Kasi tendency kapag in-squeeze nyo sa eyes nyo, baka may irritate yung eyes nyo. Also, kasi pangit naman sobrang soak. Basta yung damp lang talaga, as in damp. Oh, I almost forgot. I want to use this. Yung headband ng Muka. Yeah, pack. Para ako nasa spa or sauna kulit. Bongga. Okay, so I'm going to do the makeup remover wipes first. Walang daya to, ayokong magsinungaling. Char! By the way, I'm using a full coverage foundation. Lahat full coverage talaga tong makeup ko. With concealer, foundation, and lipstick.
Yeah, I cannot chase you, and I cannot fly. Chase you. Yeah, I cannot chase you, I cannot fly, I cannot make you, you make up your mind. You want me to prove it to you, to see what
This is what it looks like. Isang piraso lang siya since isang side lang naman ng mukha ko. Pero usually talaga nakakadalaw talaga ako. But, yon, using it parang nag-worry ako sa skin ko kasi eto nawawala na yung juice niya once you're using it na. And the more na, for example, binabalikan mo yung ulit yung ibang part ng face mo kasi nga may mga makeup pang naiwan. Parang medyo nagkakaroon na siya ng heat. Alam niyo yun, pag, for example, niraram niyo yung skin niyo ng ganyan, di ba makakaramdam kayo ng init? So, parang ganun yung nararamdaman ko actually. So, yeah, zoom in ko kayo guys para makita niyo closely. So, on this area, like dito sa may lash line ko, meron pa siyang blue metallic shadow in this area. Try natin tanggalin kung matatanggal niya. Okay, so now I'm going to remove this side of my face using the Muka makeup remover pads. I always say Muka. Ewan ko kung bakit. I'm sorry, Muka. Start with the forehead. Nakuha ba? Nakuha niya din yung blue. Yung blue sa mata ko.
if I cannot find you up in the dust? If I stand here waiting, would you think I must stay here for days, losing my way? I'ma go
honestly, you guys, I'm surprised how soft the microfiber they use on their makeup remover pad. As I remove my eye makeup kanina, especially sa waterline ko, which din ako natatakot magtanggal talaga ng makeup, wala ako nararamdaman na microfiber sa eye ko. As in, guys, sobrang lambot. Legit talaga yung sinabi nila. Kaya pala sinabi nila just add water din sa product nila kasi kahit water lang to, it doesn't feel like rough talaga sa skin mo, as in. So, this is what it looks like. Sa ganyang size lang niya, natanggal niya yung makeup ko. Bongga, diba? Compared to the makeup wipes. Ayan, back and forth ko ginamit yung wipes. Tapos ngayon nawawala na yung moist niya o yung juice. Pero eto still moist pa rin siya. Kasi I think it's because of the foam or sponge na nasa loob. So, para malaman natin kung alin part of my face ang may makeup pa, I will use a micellar water. So, sinusok ko lang both cotton pads. Tapos sabay natin silang i-rub off sa skin. So, this is what it looks like. This one, wipes. This one, remover pad. So, as you can tell, mas marami pang product sa wipes side. While on the Muka makeup remover pad, ayan, meron pa rin siyang makeup pero hindi ganun kakapal as the wipes. So, this goes to show water isn't enough. Kaya nga may tinatawag na double cleansing method, yun yung talaga nakakatulong or makakatulong sa skincare routine nyo. Actually, hindi ko alam na tawag sa kanya is double cleansing method. Basta ginagawa ko na is dalawang beses lang ako naghihilamos. What I usually do is I use a cleansing balm. This is what I highly recommend you guys using. Ganda talaga yung cleansing balm kasi it really melts your makeup. So after that, I don't rinse my face. Although yun yung mga instructions sa mga cleansing balm. For me, I always use a remover pad to wipe it off. So after cleansing balm, nire-recommend ng mga skincare specialists or enthusiasts na use a water-based product. Pero for me, after ko talagang gumamit ng cleansing balm, naghihilamos ako using a facial foam. And then, I will proceed to the water-based products and my skincare like toner, serum, moisturizer. Di ako nag-eye cream eh. Pero yun yung mga routine ko. So now, let's proceed with the review. So, packaging-wise, it comes with a package like this. Ayan siya. It's very hygienic. And I'm not sure kung may pa-card din sila like on the set. Kasi for me, nandito kasi may important information eh. Like tips and tricks also. So, hoping na meron din silang kasamang pa-card. Pero kapag set yung bibili nyo, it looks like this. Yung mga products na pinakita ko sa inyo earlier, ganun na products din yung matatanggap nyo. I'm not sure na kung may pa-free lip scrub din sila. Appearance-wise, again, makapal siya. Kasi I think may foam or sponge na material sa loob. And then yung microfiber niya is made. Performance-wise, perfect to for those who have sensitive skin. Kasi hindi magkakaroon ng irritation or redness yung skin nyo dito kasi sa sobrang lambot ng microfiber na ginamit dito, especially on the eye area. Kahit i-rub off mo siya, as in kanina nung nira-rub off ko, especially sa may waterline ko, hindi siya masakit. Like, hindi mo alam kung may nira-rub ka. So, maganda experience ko talaga dito. I know some of you may think may kamukha siyang makeup remover pad. Yes. This is the Face Halo Original. Ayan siya. So, as you can tell, well-loved and used siya. Di ko pa kasi siya totally nalalaban ng bonggang-bongga. Mild laba lang siya. Like, hand soap. So, hindi pa natatagal yung stain totally. So, this is the original one. May Pro. Yung Pro ata yun yung maiksing fiber. Pero I bought the original kasi wala talaga akong alam. Inisip ko lang baka kasi sa color lang nag-iba. Kasi yung Pro is black. So, ito yung original white siya. Pero ako kasi mas gusto ko white. I've been using this for 5 months now. And so far, sobrang ingat ako dito. Pero natatanggal na yung mismong parang ribbon dito. Ayan siya. Sobrang ingat na ingat ako. Di ba may mga time talaga kung alin pang gamit ang sobrang iniingatan natin, yung pa yung unang masisira. Di ba? Kung ano pa yung binabalibag natin, yung pa yung nagtatagal. Di ba? As you can see, mahaba yung microfiber niya. Di ba? As well as the back. So, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung packaging ng Face Halo. Ayan siya. Nabili ko siya for say like 990. It comes with 3 makeup remover pads. As in, yun lang yung laman. Wala siyang laundry bag or headband or whatsoever. So, ayan siya. Dalawa. Ayan o. It comes with a plastic. And this is Chloe. Ayan. So, siya yung face of the Face Halo, pero hindi siya yung may-ari. This is the brand new unused Face Halo. As you can tell, naka-flat yung microfiber niya. Ayan siya. So, mag-e-expand pa siya. Ayan o. Mahaba talaga yung microfiber niya. And, noon ko talaga tong ginamit, na-hesitant ako kasi matigas siya. Kasi net yung underneath. I'm not sure if you can tell. Pero net yung gamit dito. It's not foam or such like sa mukha. Sa mukha nga na-amaze ako eh. Kasi, hindi siya net. Talagang sponge siya compared to this one. Also, comparison, mas malaki yung mukha than the face halo. Ayan siya. Yan, mas makapay. So, both of them perform really well. Okay naman siya sa skin. Pero sa face halo, ayoko siyang gamitin with water only. Kasi, although, ang claim talaga nila to exfoliate also. But, for me, medyo rough kasi siya sa skin ko. Ewan ko lang kung sa inyo guys, pero yung net kasi lumalambot naman siya. But, yung microfiber kasi niya, kapag water lang talaga ginamit nyo, mararamdaman nyo talaga yung konting roughness talaga. Kasi yun ating pag-exfoliate. Pero for me, medyo nag-exaggerate na sila ng konti. Kaya siguro sila gumawa ng pro na makeup remover pad. If you guys would ask me kung alin yung prefer ko dito, since nagamit ko na sila parehas, I would use the Muka one. Kasi sobrang soft niya talaga and perfect talaga for sensitive skin. I would love for you guys to try this one. And I think the face halo, yung 3 pieces, I think it cost 1,600 something. Nabili ko kasi siya on sale for 990. And then, it just comes with 3 pads. But, if you buy the whole package or set ng makeup remover pad for 990 pesos, not only you'll get 3 makeup remover pads, may kasama na siyang headband, laundry bag, and a free tinted lip scrub. But you guys, I forgot to mention this earlier, I think. Kung makikita niyo yung product packaging kanina, nung binuksan ko to, ito lang talaga yung bukas, is that nilabang ko kasi siya the day before filming. Mainam talaga guys, kapag gagamit kayo ng gito, or bibili kayo ng gito, make sure to wash it first. Di ko siya wina-wash using Bareta soap. Ginagamit ko lang is powder laundry soap. Yun. But, I don't use the bar soap kasi medyo rough siya in my opinion. Nabasa rin ako actually na bawal siyang ibabad sa fabric softener kasi mangyayari is mag-open up yung microfibers or something like that. And this is the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed watching it, don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye! Yeah, layo.
I cannot chase you, I cannot fly, I cannot make you make up your mind. You want me to prove